In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix the VAN185 error in Valorant. The first thing that you have to do is to access your task manager and find this application, which is named as Riot Client UX. After finding it, just click it by right-clicking and then click the end task. Once you're done clicking the end task, you have to rerun it. So how to rerun it? Click the start button in your Windows and then type in run. After typing that in, type in services.msc and click the OK button. This will open all the available services inside your device, and you just have to scroll down until you see the VGC. After finding the VGC, click the properties and edit the startup type into automatic. So from manual to automatic. Then click the OK button and then apply it. Now click the start and then finish the progress bar here. After finishing the progress bar, click the close button and then close your task manager and then open your Valorant. And I hope the error is now fixed. That's how you can fix the VAN185 error in Valorant, and thank you for listening.